Let's learn how to find your Binance Referral ID. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but the method is same on any device, so you can follow the same steps on your phone. I will show you on both browser and Binance applications. So let's start with an application first. What you need to do here is to click on your user center icon in top corner and just click on referral button. This will open your dashboard, new tab pop-up. You need to scroll down and find this my referrals. As you can see, I have no referrals found now, but what you can do is to click on invite friends, and now here it will be shown your referral ID and the referral link. Method is very similar if you do that on browser, so let's go check it. Go to Binance. And now here tap this profile icon and just go referral. The same way, scroll down till you find my referrals, click on invite friends, and it will show you your referral ID and referral link. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.